I am Dr. Dilip Gupta. I am Professor Head Surgery at Mahatma Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram, Varda, which is located in Maharashtra. Today, I have visited Delhi for ARSICon 2024, which also organized a visit to MCC, that is Medical Cobotics Center at IIIT Delhi. We visited the center for it's doing a great job, where we can say multiple devices are being manufactured and they are being clinically trialed, low cost simulation products which are there. I think this will go a long way, because what we see today is many medical colleges which are located in rural area, which are not government funded. Foreign devices are much costlier than, and they cannot be afforded by medical colleges. Now here what we find is low cost devices which are being manufactured can be afforded. If we see that, we can talk to the people and get these devices customized according to their needs, with addition that we can have a low cost simulators. I think these simulators can train many medical students in our part of country, and we would be able to save more lives, because of the lack of training nowadays, many lives are being lost at a particular in the country because of non-network. But these, when people are get trained, what we can say is the trained people can save many lives, and we can have a productive life for our country. Thank you so much.